Good morning. I'm on my way to the gym, so I'm going to try and get a little bit of footage if I can.
You broke my heart a million times. Can't count the times I made you cry. Oh, we're such a mess now, and we're burning out. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Can we be honest? You're my comfort zone. Whatever I say, don't let me go. I know you're angry, babe, and I am cold. I get so sad at the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. I can't bear the thought of losing you. I'm losing you. You're still perfect as the day goes by. Even the worst ones hate, they make me smile. I stop the world if it would give us time, yeah, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, to work things out, yeah, yeah, to work things out, to work things out. Oh, yeah, to work things out, 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 to work.
I'm not sure what the temperature is, but it is very cold. Very, very cold. Oh my gosh. How many calories are these? Look at this. These fruit ones. Ouch! And then I get I'm not sure.
I mean, you wanted the black one, so I would go with the all black one. Because those are, like, these two have been selling a lot because they're obviously nice. But the all black ones are more, I think they're more functional, but I just like the way that the black and white ones look. The black and white ones, those are the ones that I'm thinking of. Like a chicken.
So this is nice. I like the fit. I like the sleeves. It has a string on it. But I like the fit. I like my hat too. This is okay. Alright, so I'm definitely getting this hat though. This hat is nice. So I'm getting the hat, maybe the hoodie, and then the tennis shoes. It's gonna be a whole fit. I don't like this, but I like the hoodie. My daughter working her part-time job, Under Armour, and she gets a discount. That's why I'm here. And I want this hat too, please.